Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to migrate your Wix website to Hostinger step by step. It's super simple. So first step is make sure you're logged into Wix in one tab and logged into Hostinger in another tab. We need both open to make the transfer easy and smooth. Step 2. In Wix, go to settings, then go to site export or download. Then click download site. So this saves your website file in HTML, CSS, images, whatever the file is, to your computer. Next, go to Hostinger dashboard, go to Hostinger and then click on File Manager. All you have to do is click upload, then select the zip file you download from Wix, and then wait for the upload to be finished. Once upload, locate the zip in the file manager, click to extract. This unpack all your site files into your public HTML folder and the main web folder. Then go to Hostinger HTML, then click domain. Make sure your domain is point to Hostinger. If it's not, update to a DNS or name server setting so visitor sees your new site. Then go to public HTML in file manager, then open your site in browser, then type domain, so your domain name, then check that everything looks great or not. Now the seventh step is test your website. Click the pages, images link. If something is missing, go back to the file manager and re-upload the missing file. Step 8. When everything works great, don't forget to set up your SSL in Hostinger. You have to do is via SSL menu. So to get that secure look icon into your browser. And that's it. Your Wix site is now live on Hostinger with your own custom domain. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe and I will see you in my next video.